Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. For those who are unaware, we've had a bit of a government shakeup here. I just want to go ahead and cite this for the record. Quoting directly Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com, article is titled, Srettha dismissed as PM after court ruling. The Constitutional Court has found Prime Minister Srettha Thavisin guilty of a gross violation of ethics for appointing ex-convict Pichit Chuenban as cabinet minister. The ruling resulted in Mr. Srettha being dismissed after less than a year in office. The ruling on Wednesday also terminates all positions in the cabinet. Quoting further, the future administration will determine key government policies, including the 10,000 baht digital wallet scheme, land bridge initiative, and soft power projects. So, also, I think it's worth noting there's been a lot of talk about changing tax policy here in Thailand, and it hasn't been without its own level of, how shall we say it, controversy surrounding that issue. And then there's all kinds of consternation on the internet, which is caused, quite frankly, by confusion created by a bunch of lay people who are out there talking about tax policy when they don't know what they're talking about. Long story short, answer to the question, will this impact things with regard to tax policy? Possibly. Secondly, has there been a major change to Thai tax law? No, as we've discussed in other videos. That said, we saw major changes administratively as a result of an intra-Revenue Department memo regarding accessibility of certain monies which may or may not be accrued outside of Thailand. But other than that, we've not seen a major change to the current Thai tax law or Thai tax policy. That said, as we discussed in prior videos contemporaneously with the press releases at the time, there has been serious discussion within the Revenue Department to promulgate new rules regarding taxation. Now, whether or not those rules will be promulgated in a future administration here in Thailand remains to be seen, but I do think it's safe to say that at least for the moment, we're sort of up in the air, if you will, to use a phrase, or to turn a phrase, I should say. We're sort of up in the air at the moment with regard to where this all stands. So that said, we will certainly be keeping people updated on this channel as this situation evolves.